Hello friends! In today's video, we're going to talk about something we've all been eagerly waiting for. The iPhone 16. What has Apple got in store for us this year? Will there be groundbreaking changes or just some minor upgrades? Let's dive in and find out together. Show me all. So 1. Design and display. First up, let's talk about the design. Apple always nails it with their sleek designs, but this year we're expecting some subtle changes like thinner bezels and a larger screen. And guess what? The display will be OLED and will support ProMotion, which makes scrolling and gaming super smooth. This will totally upgrade your browsing and gaming experience. 2. Processor and performance. Now, what about performance? Apple isn't leaving anything to chance. The iPhone 16 will come with the A18 Bionic chip, making everything faster and more powerful. So if you're into heavy gaming or video editing on your phone, this processor will handle it all with ease. 3. Camera and the camera. The iPhone camera. This year, we're expecting major improvements in the rear camera system. You'll likely see 3 or 4 lenses that will give you stunning photos even in low light. And if you're a selfie lover, the front camera is also getting an upgrade, allowing you to shoot videos in 4K quality. You won't need any extra gear to capture the best photos and videos. 4. Battery and charging. Now, about the battery. We all know Apple is working hard to make sure the battery lasts as long as possible. With fast charging up to 30 WH, you'll be able to charge your phone quickly and get on with your day without worrying. 5. Software and new features. As for the software, the iPhone 16 will come with iOS 18, which will bring enhancements in privacy and performance. You'll also find new features in Siri and how the phone handles AI. Your phone will learn from you and keep your experience enjoyable. 6. Price and availability. Finally, the price. We're all curious about this one. The expected starting price is $999, but as always, Apple delivers features that are worth the money. The iPhone 16 is expected to hit the market in September 20. That was a sneak peek into the iPhone 16. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And tell us in the comments, what feature are you most excited about in the iPhone 16? See you in the next video.